Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel Stunning Handwork Idea. Today we brought you attractive, colorful and countable birds pattern of cross stitch hand embroidery. All the patterns are countable, colorful and very beautiful. I hope you like also. Keep watching Stunning Handwork Idea and enjoy. Stunning Handwork Idea is a handworking channel, especially cross-stitch hand embroidery patterns and tutorial we bring every day for you. Today's video is a very impressive video, gorgeous color and very attractive birds design. I hope you like all the video on Stunning Handwork Idea. If you are watching first time this channel, then subscribe this beautiful channel which name is Stunning Handwork Idea, and this video is able to like and share. Don't forget to share and like this beautiful video. If you like any pattern in this video and you want to make yourself beautiful cross stitch and embroidery, you need pattern, then take a screenshot from this video of your favorite clip. After taking a screenshot, zoom out your screen and count your favorite clip and make yourself. If this idea is difficult, then print out of your screenshot. After printing out pattern in your hand, you can make easily your favorite designs. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thanks a lot for your beautiful comment us about this video. Your comments make me happy. Thank you so much, and pray for you from the bottom of my heart. Be happy forever with happiness, with beautiful smile. Take care of yourself and your family. God bless you, and Allah Hafiz.